Well, hey guys, we are in the local makerspace. This is actually in the basement of our library. This is the AV studio. You can see they got some amazing lights in here. We just finished the headshot video in here, and I just want to go around and show some of the options available. We use this little light right back here for the hair light, or kind of the side light to make the hair pop against the background. This was our main light, or our key light, whatever you want to call that. And they have these different backgrounds. They have this black one. They've got, let's see, a green screen, a blue, and a white one that's falling apart, but they have this white one over here. So pretty awesome space. In the closet there's all kinds of cameras, some Panasonic GH4s, a bunch of lenses and stuff. We didn't need that. We have our own gear in here that we wanted to use, but we may be coming in here to film some more. We may be coming in here to film some more video sometime. Check out the sound system in here. They've got they've got, for the television production, they have the Black Magic boxes here, the big ones and the little ones here, along with the screen. And then they also have the Mac with the powered monitors, JBL monitors, the Focusrite system down here, which is pretty amazing, and a digital mixer over there. All kinds of microphones and mic stands. This is one amazing space. We took the sound training last week and it was very cool. We could drag this table around, set it up how we need it. All kinds of music stands, and most importantly, I don't know if you can hear that noise, which is the AV fan. You can actually turn it off in this room. Pretty cool stuff. I'll post some pictures of the headshots we took, and just to kind of show what we can do in here. We need to really think about how we want to utilize this space. We just basically can reserve it with our library card. It's pretty cool, nice options. Well, that's about it for today. I don't want to go out there where all the people are, but let me just stick the camera out the door, and you can see there's all kinds of things in a makerspace: sewing, embroidery, you name it. They have little media studios. You can see that they have the recording in progress sign. It's kind of the quiet area. They have all the sound panels and everything to go up through here. We're going to utilize this space more. Anyway, just wanted to show, check your local library, see if they're doing a maker space like ours is. I'm excited after taking this training. We've got AV training next week. Oh, and look, they even have a little iPhone holder right there. But we do have, we took sound recording training last week. It was awesome, had a lot of fun. Next week we're going to take the actual video recording, so we're going to find out what is really possible in here. But anyway guys, just a quick update on some of the stuff we're doing. Look for some content to come from here. We'll see you next time. Well, hey guys, real quick before you go, check out what we did in this makerspace. We shot some actor headshots. It was a lot of fun. We had the lights and everything there, the different backgrounds, so we went ahead and did it. I'll put a sped up version through here if you want to check it out, see some of the results of the headshots. We'll see you next time.